organic waste generated by humanity. Sewage sludge, food waste, spent coffee grounds, and livestock manure. The volume is beyond imagination. According to the World Biogas Association, the annual volume of organic waste generated globally is approximately 105 billion tons. However, only 2% of this is processed. The remaining 98% is still left untreated. Current methods for treating organic waste rely on national infrastructure facility, such as incineration and landfill. However, this process involves not only high treatment costs, but also contaminates the atmosphere, soil, and groundwater, and releases large quantities of greenhouse gases like CO2 and CH4. It merely focuses on disposal, with virtually no recovery of valuable resources. Moreover, once these facilities reach saturation, the challenges in treatment intensify. Ultimately, the current approach clearly has limitations in the paradigm of greenhouse gas reduction. The market demands a new solution, yet carbon and hydrogen are the fundamental components of organic matter. Ironically, fossil fuels, which are the main culprits of greenhouse gases, are also composed of carbon and hydrogen. What the carbon and hydrogen within organic waste could be recovered as alternative resources, this impossible challenge is being turned into reality by the climate tech startup EPS Resource. Our unique solution is continuous pyrolysis. It is a process that breaks down the molecular structure of carbon and hydrogen in organic matter to produce synthetic gas as a gas, crude oil as a liquid, and char as a solid. The high calorific syngas and crude oil, which contain concentrated combustible components of organic matter, are classified as biofuels, a source of renewable energy. They can replace coal or LNG currently used in industrial furnaces and power generation. Upon refining, they can be utilized as fuel for internal combustion engines, such as gasoline, diesel for automobiles, aircraft, and ships, or as alternative feedstock for the petrochemical industry. Biochar, where the organic carbon is crystallized in the form of char, is utilized as a soil amendment in agriculture and afforestation projects. This offers the advantages of permanent soil storage of organic carbon and aiding the absorption of atmospheric greenhouse gases by promoting plant growth through soil improvement. Thus, the replacement of fossil fuels with biofuels made from organic waste and the absorption and storage of carbon using biochar is the cycle we envision. This appears to be consistent with the greenhouse gas methodology of the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, an international climate change body. Compared to incineration, we achieve a reduction in emissions of carbon by 35%, nitrogen by 16%, and sulfur by 30%. And compared to landfilling, material safety is enhanced with a 97% reduction in heavy metal leaching, 94% in microplastics, and 100% in total petroleum hydrocarbons. The continuous pyrolysis process has completed technical demonstration using dewatered sewage sludge in collaboration with Seoul Metropolitan Government, and we are currently preparing for the final commercialization pilot project. We have obtained international sustainability and carbon certification, and international sustainability and low carbon certification, thereby validating the sustainability and low carbon nature of the entire process, from feedstock production to utilization. By applying our technology to the global organic waste generation of 105 billion tons, the GHG reduction amounts to 38.9 billion tons of CO2 EQ. While this is a massive figure, representing 73% of the global GHG emissions of 53 billion tons of CO2 EQ, industries Utilizing our proprietary resources will benefit in responding to global carbon regulations such as RE100 CBAM and in enhancing ESG performance. Nations implementing the technology will gain the benefits of alleviating waste disposal challenges, reducing treatment costs and environmental pollution, and improving their nationally determined contributions. We are EPS Resource, and we pride ourselves on the fact that this will be a powerful driving force for humanity's challenge to reduce GHG emissions within the climate crisis paradigm.